Hey, Christine Renee here. I just wanted to pop on because I've got a lot of things going on in the background, and so over the last month, Izzy has been amazing, doing the webinars, doing some lives on here, sharing all of her information, and just want to make a public gratitude statement of like. She's amazing and I love her. And I'm so glad that she's a part of Reiki Cafe. She has been with us for almost 3.5 years now. And that came together through absolute divine inspiration. And we have been there for each other throughout those last 3.5 years. When she was having dark nights of the soul, I was there to support her. When I've been going through my struggle, she's been there to support me. So it's been just a really beautiful collaboration and relationship. And I just love Izzy. So if you love Izzy too, let us know in the comments below, sharing all that love. We've got a really fantastic team at the Reiki Cafe University, and I'm just so ever grateful because not only do we have Izzy, but Shantel, I'm sure you guys have been seeing her do some readings for you guys and doing more of the Reiki shares. You're going to be seeing more of her. She is done teaching school for the school year. She is an sign language interpreter during the school year and has been hoping and manifesting more and more on the Reiki career side, and it is showing up. She is booking clients and helping out at Reiki Cafe University, teaching classes and workshops and all the things. So really grateful to have Shantel on board with us. And we recently also are bringing on another apprentice, since Shantel is about to graduate, helping on the advanced shamanic Reiki practitioner side of things. So we're getting our workbooks ready and editing videos as needed to have that advanced shamanic Reiki practitioner training offering coming up in August. Typically, that's we don't advertise too much on that one because it's really for our graduates of our shamanic Reiki practitioner training. But if you have shamanic training previously, if you have Reiki training previously and you're interested, just shout at me. And a quick update on me. I know I left this like it's probably 2 weeks ago. I'm getting interviewed for a documentary, like wish me luck type thing. And we had like 200 comments on it. I so appreciate all the support. And I had to sit with it for a minute. I had to sit and go, I had the interview and something just didn't feel right. And I was like, do I have too much personal stuff going on in my life? Am I not reading this right? But I'm not feeling expansive. I'm not feeling joyful. I'm not feeling alive when I sit with this opportunity. And for me, that's a clear, like, no, watch. I mean, it's a way I could go about it. It would be okay, but it's not the way. And so I really sat with it. I, did an energy check with Izzy and a couple of my mentors and really got like, no, that's not it. And it's so interesting because the documentary itself is being done by an author that I have read his books over and over and over again. And the opportunity on the outside looked like this could be really cool. I love teaching. I love offering education and support through a screen. Like I really do love this, is like my passion. And this opportunity just didn't feel right. And so I said, no, I actually was the one to be like, this isn't it. And then I've been like waiting, because I know that when I tell the universe, like, I'm not going to take up my energy and time and space for that opportunity, something else is going to come along. I'm going to have that inspiration for the next thing. And that's been trickling in. And I'm really excited for new upcoming opportunities, and knowing that Reiki Cafe University has this amazing foundation of support people beyond me allows me to do more of the things in the background. And so I've been working on that. I'm not announcing anything quite yet, but knowing that you guys are so well supported here in the Reiki Cafe community, that we have a really lovely team. Some of our Reiki Cafe University graduates from shamanic Reiki practitioner training are going to help even in the adminning of this group. So you're going to see some more of our graduated students in this space. Really excited for those possibilities. So you're going to see the diversity of our Reiki Cafe University students. And on that note, like, Reiki Cafe University really is an inclusive space. And I love that, people have just naturally gravitated towards Reiki Cafe University. I didn't have to put out big rainbow pride flags or anything. And people just feel the energy that I don't care what lineage your background is from. I don't care what color your skin is. I don't care what orientation, gender orientation, sexual orientation, like all of it. I'll take all of it. I love all of you all. So I just wanted to publicly announce that, like, we want to support you wherever you are in your spiritual journey and your healing journey and your Reiki journey. We want to be a part of that process. And this is an educational platform, which is why we love doing our podcast, which is why we love doing our webinars. If you didn't catch Izzy's webinar yesterday, go check it out. And if you want to jump on a call with us and go, you know what, I know I want to move forward in my spiritual journey and my Reiki journey, and I'm not really sure what is the best fit for me, or I have some gaps in my education. How can I fill those? Can I do that one-on-one, or is there a program or offering that really fills in those gaps? Or I want to build my confidence. I want to be able to sell my services with ease. What does that look like? So if you don't know what Reiki Cafe course or program or services we offer, that's okay. All you need to know is that there's a desire for something different than you have now. And then you can just book a call with me. I love jumping on 10-minute calls, and I don't call them sales calls because I won't sell you something if I don't think it's the right fit. It really is like, tell me where you're at now, tell me where you want to get to, and I'm going to fill in the gap with whatever is within your budget, whichever feels in the most alignment. And I love helping people figure out that process. So if that's where you are, book a call with me. We sent out an email today on chakra coaching. And the reason why I love that program so much is because it is individual. We can curtail exactly what you need within the boundary of those 2 months, whether it's courses and coaching calls or business calls, and whatever you need, that mentorship space is there to provide for you. So I just wanted to pop on and kind of give you a little Reiki Cafe University update. I just want to check the Facebook Live. Like I want to look down and see if there's any. Do you guys have any questions? Have you thought about anything that has been coming up in your world that you want us to be aware of? If you want us to do a podcast topic, give us suggestions. Know that we are offering now also a way to come take your Reiki level 1 and 2 with me. I'm going to be doing those via Zoom. They're going to be spread out over a couple of weeknights. They're on our calendar. They're on our website. So Reiki level 1 is going to be starting next week on Thursday evenings, if you're in the US time zones. And this is a really great opportunity to kind of go, you know what, I do want to refresh that. You know what, I actually want to teach that course. So let me see how it's done this way, because we really offer Reiki fusion, which is traditional Reiki and Western practices, and really understanding the Eastern philosophies with the mixing modalities, with trusting your intuition, with throwing out the rule book. Like, I'm all for that. And I also really love knowing where Reiki started and what the history was and what that foundation looks like, and what was the intention when Reiki was started, and what does that look like, and how does it influence the way we practice today. So know that we have some of those classes coming up, Reiki level 1, level 2. We've got a ton of webinars coming up. Be sure to keep an eye on the calendar for that. And we would love to jump on a call with you if you're like, I don't know what I need. I know I need something, because we all have places and spaces and desires of where we want to get to. Hopefully we have some goals and visions of that desired reality, and we would like to be the ones to help you get there. So I will put my connect call link below so that you can just say, like, yeah, I'm interested in level 1, or I don't know what I'm interested in. Tell me what my next step is, and how can Reiki Cafe University support me? And we'd love to have that conversation. So with that, thank you all so much for being a part of this. I have just also been really cognitively aware of how much engagement we've had in the Facebook group recently, and I love it. Post your questions, post your concerns, post your ideas. and let us have these dialogues. I mean, this is what that space is for. So thank you so much for posting your spiritual memes, to your insightful conversations, to your questionings of how do I do this business wise or spirit wise or whatever it may be. We'd love to have those conversations with you. So thank you all so much for being here. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and just let us know how we can support you. Take care, everyone.